Yummy chocolate chip cookies recipe. Hello, amazing students. Today, we will learn how to bake sweet and yummy chocolate chip cookies. Cookies are a delightful snack, and they are loved by many. Let's start baking. Ingredients: 1 cup of flour, ½ cup of sugar, ½ cup of butter, 1 egg, ½ cup of chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. 2. In a bowl, mix the flour, baking soda, and salt. 3. In another bowl, beat the butter, sugar, and vanilla extract until creamy. 4. Add the egg to the butter mixture and mix well. 5. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture and mix until combined. 6. Stir in the chocolate chips. 7. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a baking sheet. 8. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. 9. Remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on a wire rack. 10. Enjoy your sweet chocolate chip cookies with a glass of milk.